Assalamualaikum, this is Adil Sencha. I'm an IELTS trainer and English language instructor at Global English Language Academy, Shinkiari. Global English Language Academy offers IELTS and PT for those students who intend to go to study abroad or for work permit. In spoken English, we are a team of experts who will help you speak like natives. We have had over 200 students who have done their IELTS and PT in flying colors. Apart from that, we have got dozens of stories. Our highest paid achievers are Abbottabad and Mansehra, who have done their IELTS with 8.5 overall, 8 in different modules, and dozens of success stories we have in our belt. So if you want your dreams to be coming true, so be a part of us at Khadijatul Kubra Colleges, Shinkiari, near Jamia Husainia, and grow your personality. If you want your dream to be coming true, Global English Language Academy is a golden platform for you guys. Just come and just feel the difference, and you will find a best place to come in and grow your personality. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.